welcome to the Sheerpower Tutorials, an evolution in programming. In this series, we'll embark on a journey through the innovative world of Sheerpower programming. Throughout these tutorials, we'll explore how Sheerpower stands out among programming languages, designed specifically for rapid development and maintenance of large-scale business applications. Unlike traditional languages like C, C++, Rust, and Go, Sheerpower is tailored to swiftly accommodate evolving business needs, making programming both efficient and enjoyable. Sheerpower stands apart with its mission to simplify the creation of extensive business applications. By focusing on rapid development and ease of maintenance, it empowers developers to build and manage applications that directly align with business objectives. In a world where business rules are constantly shifting, Sheerpower proves to be an invaluable tool. Its dynamic flexibility, combined with reduced development time, ensures that your applications can quickly adapt to new requirements, maintaining efficiency and performance. Sheerpower's intuitive syntax and comprehensive set of built-in functions make it incredibly easy to use, allowing developers to start coding efficiently right from the beginning. The ability to rapidly prototype and iterate ideas further accelerates the development process, making Sheerpower a powerful tool for fast-paced project environments. One of the standout benefits of Sheerpower is its ability to lower maintenance costs. By simplifying the code base and providing powerful debugging tools, it ensures that applications are easier to maintain and update. This consistency and reliability translate to significant savings in time and resources over the life cycle of a project. Innovation is at the heart of Sheerpower. Its agility in development and versatility across different application domains empower developers to quickly respond to new challenges and opportunities. The ease of continuous improvement ensures that your applications can evolve alongside your business needs, driving sustained innovation. Sheerpower makes programming not just productive, but enjoyable. By simplifying the workflow and reducing the time spent on tedious tasks, it allows developers to focus on what they do best, creating innovative solutions. This positive experience fosters a more engaging and fulfilling development process. In the realm of title insurance, Sheerpower streamlines the management of vast amounts of paperwork and ensures accurate record-keeping, significantly reducing manual errors and enhancing compliance with regulatory standards. Sheerpower's efficiency and security make it a perfect fit for banking systems, where it can manage large transaction volumes and ensure the protection of sensitive financial information. Sheerpower empowers developers to create robust accounting packages, ensuring accuracy in financial calculations and efficient data management, tailored to meet diverse business requirements. For high-volume photography systems, Sheerpower excels in managing the rapid processing, efficient storage, and easy retrieval of large numbers of images, ensuring seamless operation. Sheerpower's flexibility and real-time processing capabilities make it ideal for powering the back-end systems of digital assistants like Alexa, ensuring efficient command processing and seamless data integration. In the healthcare industry, Sheerpower provides secure and efficient management of patient data, seamless integration with other health services, and ensures compliance with regulatory standards. For multiplayer online games or morgues, Sheerpower's ability to manage real-time interactions and large volumes of data ensures a smooth and engaging gaming experience for players. These tutorials are designed to provide a comprehensive and interactive learning experience. Each tutorial starts with a detailed feature overview, followed by hands-on demonstrations through Sheerpower code blocks. You can run the code as is or modify it to explore different functionalities. The results are displayed in real time, allowing you to see the outcomes immediately. Our tutorial series is structured to guide you from the basics to advanced features of Sheerpower programming. We'll start with an introduction to Sheerpower, delve into its fundamental programming concepts, explore built-in debugging features, and much more. Each tutorial is thoughtfully arranged to provide a seamless learning experience. In addition to our interactive tutorials, there are numerous YouTube videos available that provide further insights into Sheerpower programming. For those looking for comprehensive documentation, visit the Sheerpower website. Sheerpower is free to download and royalty-free to use, ensuring you have all the resources needed to master Sheerpower. To maximize your learning experience, we recommend examining each code block and guessing its function before running it. This approach helps reinforce your understanding. Additionally, consider taking short breaks after every 5 to 6 tutorials to keep your mind fresh and focused.